Welcome to a bright and beautiful Monday morning car vlog. Well, kind of car vlog. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. Oh, what exciting, adventurous thing does Elaina have in store for us today to share with us on said Monday, sunny, bright and early morning? Oh, my dear companions, we are not going on a fun, frolicking adventure. We, as in me, I am reporting for jury duty. Yes, guys, I got a jury summons where I have to spend my Monday. It's an off day, so at least there's that. But I have to spend that day getting up early, putting on a jury duty dress, putting on jury duty makeup, jury duty hair, drinking jury duty water and coffee, and I gotta drink those as soon as possible because no liquids are allowed on the property. Whatever, the security won't let me take them. Now, you also might be wondering, Elaina, how is it you know so much what to expect about jury duty? Because, my friends, I have served on a jury before. I had just turned 18. I was still in high school. I was a senior in high school, and your girl got a jury summons right off the bat, which is insane. And I got selected for a criminal case that was a whole thing. I remember it very distinctly, and I remember that the dude was not guilty, but I don't know. The only reason he was not guilty is because the prosecutors spent the entire time proving that the crime happened. They didn't spend any time whatsoever associating the accused with the crime. They never like said this is why he did it. They just spent all their time and energy on this crime actually happened.
I have had enough! Guilty! 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 Guilty!
And so we had to say not guilty because the prosecutors were, maybe they didn't have the right coffee that morning. I don't know, but it was just very uneventful. At least, if I recall correctly, it only lasted a day, so I was only there. We got free lunch. That was pretty cool. Anyway, I'm about to cut this out because traffic's getting wonky, and you know, obviously the priority is getting to jury duty alive. I'm so excited to perform my civic duty, and civic duty it is. It is civic work. But it's fine. I'm not much of a morning person except for like travel and stuff. I mean, I have been completely on time as far as getting ready. So bravo to me. I couldn't fall asleep last night, so I'm kind of running on like maybe 5 hours of sleep, and that's being optimistic. But that's okay because we're gonna do this thing and we're gonna do it well. And I will update you guys whether or not I get selected. Yeah. Okay, going to drive safely. I'll see you soon. Hi guys. It is now, hold on. It is 10:41 in the morning. I've been up since, I set my alarm for 6. I did not get up at 6. I got up like maybe closer to 6:20. Anyway, so it's been an eventful few hours of the day, my day. This is story time. So it was cool because they told us no civil cases. And what that means is basically nothing boring. They were all going to be criminal cases. There was talk of some that were going to be like kind of on the longer end of things, but there was also some that were like grab and go. Like, we're gonna select you and knock this sucker out. Hopefully be home for dinner. But they did warn us. They were like, hey, you could be here till like 5 o'clock at night or later. They can hold you longer than that for the process of picking and selecting jury. So this is the fun part. Get this. I come outside because we have like a 20-minute break and I wanted water and coffee without spending $5 at the vending machine. So I come out to the car, fresh air, all that jazz. And then when I'm going back in through security, I see this lady that's like super happy. Her lawyer said good news. They threw out the case that they're not pursuing it. And she was like super excited and happy. I was like, That's a good day for her. We go back in and they finally call in their first round of jurors, and I wasn't on that list. And I was like, gosh darn it, I'm gonna be here all day. And then they came in and they selected their second round of jurors, and my name wasn't on the list. I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna be here all day. And then maybe another 10 minutes goes by and the lady walks in, she's beaming ear to ear, and she says, I have good news. The third trial has been thrown out. Y'all can go home. Have a good day. She said this also fulfills your juror obligation for the next year. So I won't have to worry about this for another 12 months. And that was it. So if we go from the time I was supposed to be here, having to show up at 8 a.m. and being done by 10:30, that was it for jury duty? That's insane. And the other crazy part is I'm thinking when I get this summons, and I was joking with my parents, I'm like, oh, how am I gonna get out of this? Then, you know, they do those orientation videos, like going over basic law, American government stuff that you learn throughout regular school. They go through all that. And I did take a second to reflect. I know I'm talking a lot, and I'm sorry, this is boring. If you guys have zoned out, you're over it, hit the thumbs up on your way out. Don't forget to say hi in the comments, and I'll see you next time. But for those of you that are interested in what I'm saying, I know we are a very flawed country. We are far from perfect. We have our setbacks and conundrums, as most countries do. But what a blessing that we have the judicial system we have. We're subjected to our peers. The fact that it's not just some guy behind a desk or appointed guys and sometimes women behind a desk that just tell you, nope, you're screwed, bye. Like, we have this system where we are protected by a jury of our peers, where we are given a fair trial. Well, you know, as fair of a trial as we can get. And I just think it's an amazing thing, because a lot of countries don't have this. They don't have our justice system. We don't have a perfect system, but we have a pretty great one in the aspect of looking at how we select a jury. Both sides get to ask the questions, get to make sure that like everyone's on the same page, or if you are inclined to certain biases, is that going to affect you in this certain situation? And either side can say, nope, you're out of here. As much of an inconvenience as it can be, I think it is more important that we have it. If we don't have something like this, I'd be scared to know what the alternative is. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay guys, so that's it for my Monday morning, September 11th. Oh my gosh, there's a documentary on Disney Plus about 9/11. I really want to watch it. I can't watch it tonight. Maybe I can watch it some other time this week, because the Jets play the Bills and it's Aaron Rodgers' first game as quarterback for the Jets. Packers won yesterday. Oh, thank the Lord for that. You know what? For funsies, I'm gonna say the Jets are gonna win. The Jets are gonna win by, ooh, how much are they gonna win by? A touchdown. I don't think it's gonna be more than a score. I don't think it's gonna be like, you know, 10 points. I don't think it's gonna be a touchdown field goal. I don't think it's gonna be just a field goal. That's what I'm going for. I hope it's a fun game. I hope it's something that I'm not just like, okay, by the fourth quarter, just turn it off because we know who won. I want it to be like nail biter. Anyway, I'm really excited. I don't have much on the docket. This was supposed to fill up my day. I might get some lunch here in a bit, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. I know Lance and Audrey were talking about doing bingo again tonight. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the day. I'll see you guys soon.